As the spring breakers make their long trek back to Midwestern dorm rooms, you've headed down to Tampa, Florida, because your old lady is writing an article for some online blog about the various local amusement parks. So you find yourself at the Holiday Inn Tampa. The significant other has her face buried in the laptop as she does research for her piece. You have some downtime at the hotel before you tour Adventure Island, the Florida Aquarium, Zoo Tampa, and Busch Gardens. If you grew up soaking in the wisdom of the great street prophet Rocky Balboa, then you're familiar with the value of constant shadowboxing to refine your punching technique and to keep you #gas station ready. Of course, shadowboxing can be done with just about any combo, but you might as well take the advice of the great shoot fighter and former UFC heavyweight champion Bas Rutten. Use the liver shot. Specifically, this body blow can be implemented with the functional combo of a jab, cross, liver shot, left hook to the head. When shadowboxing, you can repeat this combo as much as you like, or you can create new combos. A great starting point for your shadowboxing routine is 3 rounds of 3 minutes with a 1-minute break between rounds. As you progress, you can add rounds or decrease the rest time. Shadowboxing is a great way to switch up the cardio while developing a functional skill set. If you're at a hotel room and you want to get in some heavy bag work, take a cue from the jailhouse and take the mattress off the bed frame and place it against the wall. This will create an unorthodox but very usable heavy bag of sorts. A word of caution though for those of you with heavy hands. Watch the power in your punches. If you hit too hard, you can leave some hotel room damage that would make the rock and roller Keith Richards proud. Keep an eye out for some more hotel workouts.